Welcome back to our tour of Manchester. In part 2, we dive into the city's creative soul and industrial chic neighborhoods. We start in the Northern Quarter, a district defined by its independent spirit and incredible street art. Every corner here tells a story, with local and international artists transforming these historic brick canvases. From record stores to vintage boutiques, this area is the heart of Manchester's creative economy. It's a place where history meets a very modern kind of energy. Speaking of energy, if you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Next, we visit Afflecks Palace, an emporium of eclecticism and a cornerstone of Manchester culture for decades. It's more than just a market, it's a sanctuary for those who dance to their own beat. Just a few steps away is Mackie Mayor, a beautifully restored Grade 2 listed market hall. Once a meat market, it now serves as a stunning hub for the city's finest independent food and drink. Leaving the Northern Quarter, we enter Ancoats, once the world's first industrial suburb. These massive mills once hummed with the sound of thousands of spindles, driving the global cotton trade. Today, they have been meticulously restored into stylish apartments and creative workspaces. Cutting Room Square is the social heart of Ancoats, where industrial heritage meets Michelin-starred dining. Even the local church has been transformed, now home to the world-renowned Halle Orchestra. The nearby New Islington Marina offers a surprisingly tranquil waterfront experience right in the city center. It's a favorite spot for locals to unwind, surrounded by innovative modern architecture. The area is a showcase of urban design, proving that new developments can have real character. Following the Ashton Canal, we head east towards the modern landmarks of Sport City. The Etihad Stadium stands as a beacon of the city's sporting prowess and recent regeneration. This massive campus was the centerpiece of the 2002 Commonwealth Games. The National Cycling Centre is where British cycling's global dominance truly began. It's an area that celebrates achievement, health, and the city's relentless drive forward. Back in the center, we find the National Football Museum, housed in the futuristic Urbis building. In this city, football isn't just a game, it's a way of life that unites and inspires. The nearby Victoria Station perfectly captures Manchester's blend of Victorian grandeur and modern design. Our journey through part 2 ends here in the shadow of the cathedral where old and new meet. Join us next time for part 3, our final stop on this Manchester tour. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.